Hi guys, Jonathan here from the Royal Armouries. I'm here with Stevie from FN.
Jonathan, good to see you again, mate.
Great to see you. Tell me where we are and what this is.
Yeah, so we're at the FN Live Firing event down in the National Rifle Association Bisley, down in Surrey in the UK. And today we're going to go through a continuation of our FN Evolys firing, but this time in the 7.62mm caliber.
Great, that sounds great to me. So you might have seen me fire the 5.56 gun. Now we're moving up in the world to 7.62. Let's see how well I control this thing. Great.
Perfect.
Really controllable, really nice. And lightweight as well.
Yeah.
To prove that. So light for a 7.62 gun. So let's try that from the shoulder quickly. Oh, it is good though, isn't it?
It just is.
And so quiet when it was listening to the heavy machine guns go off.
Yeah.
Admittedly, it's heavy to this, but still, it's just like it was barely firing. If you want to learn more about the Evolys, we have a longer video, and I'm in there shooting the 5.56. Yep. Wow, that is super controllable. Hi guys, Jonathan here. Just wanted to very quickly thank you so much for helping us reach our next benchmark of 400,000 subscribers, something that we couldn't have imagined 5 years ago when we embarked on this particular adventure. I think we're up to 401,000 now, which is absolutely amazing. Thank you so much. To help us celebrate that in appropriate fashion, we want to hand over to a good friend of ours for a bit of pumpkin action.
Hi everyone, it's Richard here, part of the live interpretation department here at the Royal Armouries Museum, where we bring history to life on a daily basis. Just want to say thank you once again for 400,000 subscribers. Really means a lot to all of us here at the Royal Armouries. And so obviously we're celebrating by slicing and dicing pumpkins with a cavalry sabre. Enjoy. Just a little off the top.
Hi, my name is Ashley Levinsky. I am a firearms historian, former curator of the Cody Firearms Museum, and also a founding member of the Center for the Study of Arms History. And I wanted to hop on here really quick to discuss two exciting research opportunities for those who are early on in their career studying the history, technology, or culture of arms. The Center for the Study of Arms History, in partnership with the Cody Firearms Museum, as well as Armament Research Services, is inviting applications for 2 fellowships to support original, hands-on research in the arms and munitions field. The first one is the Ares Emerging Experts Fellowship. This fellowship offers $1,000 in funding for travel, field work, or archival study in the next year. And this is for early career scholars or recent postgraduates who are studying arms and munitions anywhere between 1800 and the present day. Now, the fellow is encouraged to produce a publishable or other public-facing output that's based on that research. The second is the Cody Firearms Museum Early Career Fellowship, and this provides $1,500 in funding for emerging professionals to carry on short-term in-person research at the world-class Cody Firearms Museum in Wyoming. And this is open to those with fewer than 3 years of experience, but that's not limiting to someone who is maybe transitioning mid-career or someone that wants to professionalize their expertise that they already have. And this fellow's work may be featured in a range of outlets, including museum programming, as a guest speaker at the Arsenals of History Symposium, or as a published author in the peer-reviewed journal Armax. Now, both fellowships share the same application deadline, November 30th. If you are interested in applying, check out armshistory.org.
Thank you very much, Stevie. Jonathan, thank you.